Every year, Production Machining's Emerging Leaders program brings young leaders in the precision machining industry into the spotlight.
So what advice would I give owners or managers on how to attract talent these days?
Constantly working on upskilling. So we get everybody a lot of training, and that's helped a lot. It really does keep people around when they're being appreciated.
We need to be actively searching for new talent. The best place is at the source, universities.
Attracting them is really only solving half the problem. Then we have to focus on the retention side of it.
To focus mainly on embracing the new technology, and then to educate, especially new hires, I guess everyone, how to use that new technology.
Really work on creating an experience and building a culture that builds and develops the right type of people and the right talent that we're looking for.
And their skills are being lifted not just through their own effort, but a company-wide effort to find courses, whether it's CAM software training or OEM manufacturers of machines, they host training. Getting them that training helps them build their career. And when they know they're being invested in, they're going to return the investment, invest in your company.
And we need to be active mentors, continuously and actively train the company, the employees, and we need to develop new skills.
Carefully select their mentors for the person. Having mindful mentors is really important. You'd be amazed at how quickly a bad mentor can make a good employee disappear.
What I found is that as if everyone has a fundamental knowledge of how everything works, you get a lot of outside of the box thinking, and then you'll have people who will think of like clever ways to use the technology.
Although we're a large company, we have a small company feel. We're building a good culture of work hard, hold each other accountable, but also have a good time and enjoy what you're doing, and give opportunities to the younger generation for growth and show them what that growth path looks like and help them achieve that.
Another thing that might attract people is to offer the on-the-job training and stuff. So if they've never been in the trade, to offer on-the-job training, and that seems to attract a lot of people.
Then I would say your fourth and fifth needs are to put some continuous effort into staying engaged with the employee, allowing that to and fro feedback to exist. And then the last leg of it would be to, as much as you can, continuously put learning opportunities in front of them.